In this video, we will see how we can set the image size and quality in a Word document. So let's say the following is a Word document. I clicked on it. So let's say you want to upload an image. So you can also compress that image, or you can also set a setting that won't compress your images. For that, go to File, click More. Here click Options. Now here are the Word options. You need to click on the Advanced tab. When you click here, go below. Some options are visible for image size and quality. So you can set do not compress images in file. Okay. And you can also set the default resolution. Okay. So this won't compress your image and it will keep the same size of the image. That is the actual size. You just need to click OK. If you want for the current document, keep it as it is. For all new documents, you need to select the first one. I'll keep for the current one only right now and click OK. Now you can go to insert and upload any image. Let's say I'll open my image and it will have the same quality, that is the actual quality of the image. So in this way guys, you can easily set the image size, quality and compression in a Word document. Thank you for watching the video.